Introducing Beehive Secrets in the Magical Meadows, the first in a brand new series of children's books, helping them to learn about the wonders of nature. Kaida, our friendly dragon, has always been fascinated by these little creatures, the insects. One day, she meets Bella, the bee, who is feeling sick and needs help. With the assistance of a hardworking ant and a knowledgeable butterfly, Kaida sets out on a mission to heal Bella. Will Kaida and her friends find a cure for the bee's mysterious sickness? Find out. Grab your copy now. It will make this author very happy if you leave a review and let others know about the book. Thank you.